In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to chokeslam in WWE 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the button combination that you need to perform a chokeslam. This is going to work for any platform where you can play WWE 2K24. So to start, go ahead, get into the ring, and start a match with your favorite superstar. When you go ahead and you customize a match, you choose any of the available match types, match rules, and arena, you will be able to perform it when you are inside of the game. So make sure that you set everything up accordingly, assign the superstars, and now to actually perform the chokeslam. I'm going to teach you how to do it with a PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 controller and also Xbox. So to start, for PlayStation 5, all that you have to do is press R2. So first, press R2 plus X. And as long as your meter is filled up, you will be able to perform the chokeslam. So all that you have to do is press R2 and X when your finisher meter is full, and you will chokeslam the enemy. The same thing can be done on Xbox. You will just have to press the right trigger instead of R2, you will be pressing the right trigger, essentially the same thing, and then A. Once you press these two buttons, once again, as long as your meter is full, you will be able to perform it. Remember that your finisher meter must be full to pull this off, and once you see the bar flashing indicating that it is full, you will be able to get this done. So look at the meter, and once it is fully complete, press the button combination for PlayStation, which is R2 plus X, or for Xbox, which is going to be the right trigger plus A. And once you press this combination of buttons, you will be able to get it done. You can repeat this as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to chokeslam in WWE 2K24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.